Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everybody, welcome back to our tutorial from zero to hero, mastering Autodesk Inventor, and we are in tutorial 2, Swivel Head bracket, and we'll start modeling our part. In this video, we work with the Swivel Head part. If you look to this part, it seems to you that it's that complicated, but when you are studying this part, which means we are defining the primitive that it consists of, it will be more easy. Here we have a cylinder. We have two cylinders. We call them earrings here. Okay, we have a web at both ends. And we have, let's say, a bracket or something, plate that contains all of these parts. Where to start, how to finish? Let us start from this cylinder. And this cylinder is 570 with a height of 40. And we are going back to our inventor, going to home, closing this one as usual in order to have my part. Double click. Okay, go back to view again. Return back your browser. Okay, and 3D model sketching. Our cylinder will be at the XY. My XY. I'll hit the circle at the center. I'll give it a diameter of 70. Finish. Extrude. 40 as I remember. 40. Where's my cylinder here? 40. Yes. It's okay. Save. Swivel head. Okay. How to continue? Okay. Then we'll continue with this part that contains the other parts. I'll sketch a line, incline. Here my earrings at the center. I'll sketch this shape from here to here there and go down here and close it. Good. Let's see. Go to my inventor. I'll create a sketch at the XZ plane. And I'll project my Z axis as a reference. Okay. Project geometry, Z axis. And I need this line to be projected. Project F7. Okay. This line have to be construction. I'm gonna click on this line and construction. So let's start line from mid of this one. There. There. Going down and close to here. From here line up. So to have a closed area sketch. This one will be construction 2. Okay. Let us give some dimensions to our shapes. So we have 35. The incline, all of it will be 100. Okay, 35 from here to here, 35. Okay, all of it is 100. Yeah, from here to here, 100. Right. Yep. Next, 30, and from here to here is 10. We'll give it 30 and 10, and from here is 30, and from here to here 10. My shape is ready. Finish. Extrude from both sides. Symmetry. And as we can see, a tangent to this one, so it will be the same diameter 70. The extrusion will be 70, the same, equals to the diameter. I'll give it 70. 70. Okay. Next, what we have? We have to cut my webs. As you can see, when I create a section here at the middle, my webs didn't included in my section, so I don't care to create them as a solid, new solid, as we did in the base part. Okay, what's the distance from here to here? We have 10 and 10 is 20, minus 70, we have 50, and it will be cut till the face. It will be cut till the face between these. So what shall we do? Then we go back to Inventor at the face and create a sketch. Here I'll create a rectangle, but this rectangle should be at this line over here. I'll take it out. I need 10 millimeters from both sides, and from this line to here is 10, and from the other side my thickness of my web is 10 too. I'll copy the dimension. I'll be sure to that my rectangle is out of my part, and hit extrude and cut. But I'll cut it to a face. So I'll use the 2 here, and I'll cut it to this, till this face. We are using cut and combination 2. Okay. My webs are ready, saved. Let us cut the part from here and see. And the part from here will be 50, and the distance from here to here is 16. The same as that one, so I'll go here. 10. Okay, I'll create a rectangle outside my part. This rectangle from here to here is 15, and it's the same 15. So my line, this line, is sorry, escape. This line is collinear with this line. They are collinear. These two lines are collinear too. So check. Is it 10? Yes. From here to here it's 10. 10 from here, 10 from here. So this one is 50. Without giving any dimension, we use our geometrical constraints, finish a sketch, double click the middle wheel, we'll cut through. Cut all, and you see, open. So we'll cut through, hit the extrude, cut through all. Okay. Save. Good. So this is my part almost finished. Let's go to add an earring here. We have an earring of 60. The thickness of the earring is 20, and it's in the middle. Right from here, from there, it's 10 and 10. So as we did in last or previous smell, we create sketch. Sorry, we create yes, sketch here. Circle at the middle of this one, and it will be 60. Yes. Can you see? This dimension is 60. Let's check. Yes, it's zero. We said it will be, we call this one drive dimension because it's constrained with these. We give you dimension, but it's drive. Work with drive dimension in next projects. Okay, finish. Now I'll extrude. Okay. 5 from this side and asymmetric. The B direction will be how much? If it's 20, it will be 15. As you can see, we have 5 from this side, 5 from the other side. 5 and 15 will be 20. Okay. My earring is ready. We don't have anything here, no. Let us mirror it. Mirror. My extrusion 5, this is the earring. Mirror plane will be the middle. We will take the XZ plane, XZ, this is XZ plane, in the middle, be sure. Okay, okay. Check. Again, the corner of my view cube will sketch here. What will sketch? As we can see, we have a cut here in this shape. A circle 5 by 50, and the thickness or width is 36. So let's sketch a circle with 50 here. Let's sketch a circle 50, and I'll sketch a rectangle, circular center rectangle here also. Okay, and this I'll give it 36 from here to here. 36. Let us trim what we don't need. Trim. We trim this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and here. This one, we don't need them. This one, we don't need them. Good. We are ready. Give dimension again, 25 it will be, from here to here, 25 too. But something goes wrong still. What? If I take this one, can you see? Rotating. Even we give it a center, but it's rotating. What shall we do in order to put it at the center? Make them equal, this one, equal to this one. I'm done for this sketch. Finish. Extrude. Cut. How much? And this is the shape that we have it. We cut it till 30. 30. This is my cut. Here we have our shaft will be rotating the head. Now we'll dig a hole in order for my shaft to go up. The hole is 520. to 0 because we don't need any tolerance here. We go to the tolerance again. Okay, default. Hit OK to 0. Okay, concentric. We hit the arrow to select a profile or face. It's concentric to 0 through. Again, we have hole at the earring with 260. So go back here and click hole without any tolerance. Yes, then 2.6. Here we have concentric. It's concentric with this one. Here, okay. Save. Anything else? No. My part is ready. Just give it material. Cost. Cost. And give it a page B. And you can see it in real. Visual styles, realistic. So this is my part. My part. That is what it seemed very complicated. That's why I told you to study drawing of the part in order to know what it consists of, how to start, how to finish your part. Thank you very much for joining. If you have any questions, you can drop them down. We finished with the modeling our parts. The shaft will create at the assembly. The shaft will create at the assembly. Keep tuned and see you next video.